Freedom of expression is our discussion today. The first, freedom of expression belongs to everyone. The second, the right to impart information and ideas of all kinds. The third, the right to expression regardless of the media's work. The fourth, the right to seek and receive information from others. With the right to impose both negative and positive obligations on the state. And the last, the right to abuse regardless of frontiers. So we have 6 freedom of expression, and I read this freedom from briefing note series freedom of expression book. So, like in the second, freedom of expression belongs to everyone. So, no distinction are permitted, among other things, on the basis of a person's race, color, like in this article is article 2. So like person's race, color, sex, nationality, language, and another distinct diversity. So the first freedom of expression is to everyone. The meaning of this point, so no distinction are permitted like that. I will explain the second point. Yeah. Will I explain the second point?
Yes, I mean it is okay for you. So
Oh.
free. So Mr. Afon think you are stopped because you are finished or like that. No, okay.
Oh no.
Oh well, okay, good. Go on. It's
And
okay.
then the second, the right to impart information and ideas of all kinds. So we have right to impart information, yes. The right to express oneself, income basis, not only speech, which is generally accepted or is respectful in tone, but also controversial speech. Indeed, one of the most important aspects of the right of freedom of expression is the protection of unpopular speech. So not only good speech, but in the second point, so includes with controversial speech. And then the third point, the right applies to expression regardless of the media track. So the meaning of the third point is
Yes, what happened? Is there any problem for you?
No.
No. Yeah. Okay. Good.
So this one direct applies the expression regardless of the media through which they are made. In this point include like broadcast and newspaper, the internet, public debates, academic research, and verbal expression. And then the fourth, we like to seek and receive information from others. So the freedom of expression, not only the right to impart, but we can seek, we can receive information from another people. So freedom of expression enable every citizen not only to contribute to the public sphere, but also to have access to a wide range of information and viewpoints. This is very important aspect of the right, which serve as the underpinning of important freedom of expression concepts such as media diversity, because so many media, so they made media diversity, and then the right to access the information held by public authorities. And then the five, to impose both negative and positive obligation on the state. So in this, so it is negative aspect, the right place and obligation on state not only to interfere with the exercise of the right to seek, receive, and impart information and ideas expect are permitted under international law. The positive obligation is essentially to create an environment which supports a free flow of information in society and include elements such as the obligation to put in place a legal framework for access public information and to create an environment which a free media can flourish. And then the last, the right to exist regardless of printers. So it means it protects the right to access information from abroad. So we can receive information from another country, whether in the form like in newspaper, television, internet, and maybe we can meet other people in the internet. Yes, because now we can do something, so we can speak with other country, and then we can speak with another people in abroad, and then we can receive information from them. So it is include of the last point in freedom of expression. Yes, finish.
Okay. Yes. Then here, Mr.
Is
Abon very
my
agree
voice
with your
clear?
opinion. What?
Is my voice clear?
Yes, it is clear. clear, very clear. I can receive any kind of information that you explain. But here the problem is if you was that here maybe in microphone
Hmm?
because beside of my house there is a repairing house, so
Oh,
the sound like was that saw machine, yes, saw machine is very disturb our meeting. But uh in this moment I very interested with your opinion and I agree with you. And then I want in every meeting you can explain like that. It is so very, very good for you in
oh,
improving your English skill. Why? There is a long time that you can explain it. I agree it and I very support you. And then for your discussion based on your argument, then you say that if freedom of the expression, there are some information, and then this information is not only for important, right? Not only for important, but this information can growing up, yes, can growing up the citizen, because you say that how we can take our freedom and how to show this expression based on our freedom. Then here, Mr. Alphon, what's that? Will give you one question. Yes. So my question only simple for you. Okay. When you look someone, yeah, when you look someone, I think it is yes, maybe outside of your house in what's that in an environment or in one place that you ever look. Then you look, what's that? Maybe crazy people, maybe the bigger, yes, the bigger. If you look the bigger,
the
so
street.
on the street, yes. So you can look this expression and how you explain if expression for asking some money, but sometimes many people know without asking her or without asking them. We know that they are bigger. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes. From what's that? From expression. So here the bigger want to have freedom. Yes, want to have freedom. But when we take in our environment, sometimes it can be positive thinking and sometimes can be negative thinking. It can be constructive, our thinking when it is positive, and then it will be, what's that, destroy, yeah? Or a danger factor that I have. Because what's that? Like that. When we look a bigger on the street, sometimes we have an empathy, okay? And then we can open our wallet and then take him some money. So here sometimes just for helping them. But actually, you know that if freedom here not original, not original freedom, not original expression, and they are rich, but they are bigger. Yeah, they rich, very rich people, but they are bigger. Do you ever know the story?
The story about.
Yes, the story about someone. Someone is rich, but
Oh,
someone is bigger.
yes.
Yes. So it is not original expression for freedom. There's freedom for money, not freedom for life. You know what I mean? Yes. So it is bad habit. Bad habit different with when we go to the rehabilitation. Okay, rehabilitation in one place. Then we go there, we visit there, we give them what's that? some daily needs, maybe it is too different. But we can take if the expression or the freedom of expression is different, different. Because they live for taking freedom by asking, and then one again they live for freedom by giving. So giving and asking, it is what's that, cannot divide it. It is like conjunction, yeah, like conjunction is very interest. Because when we give something or some money to someone, actually someone is asking for a money. Yeah, it is kind of the expression. So what do you think about this? What's that? This case. Maybe you ever look a one or two case, so you can explain it. Go on.
Like in this one,
Yes. So
maybe
my question only simple. Do you
yes,
ever look it?
yes, ever.
Yeah. So what is your reason? What is your argument based on freedom of expression?
Yes, really, all people must have freedom of expression. Like in the first point is freedom of expression belongs to everyone. So, so I think like the speaker must have freedom of expression, must have it. But in the fact, it's not like in the article because we read so many articles, the author made so many articles, but in the fact and in the theory is different, yes. But really, they must have it, yes, must have freedom of expression. The, but
Yes. So it is very clearly, I think the same case that you have. By looking article, by reading an article, so
yes,
you can read and you can divide it.
yeah,
Maybe one is bigger, and then someone is you, yeah, someone is you, and then someone is bigger. Then you want to help them because they're our empathy, and then this our freedom, yeah, because you take your heart by, oh, it's very poor person, I have to give them some money, but they will what's that? They will very happy because it is a kind of job, not
yeah,
for freedom of expression.
it's
So
kind
it
of
is,
job.
yes, it is the new case in social, yes, social case. So what do you think about this case?
Mm,
Okay, yes. What do you think about it?
mm. The speaker is a job, but it is what is if they have speaker is their job, yes. But I think if speaker is a kind of the job, it is not visible.
Yes, but here maybe if I am a bigger, yes, I have a family, so I have to give our family
Yes, by
by
the
some,
money.
yes, some rice, and then how to get money to buy the rice, so I beg to the people, I
Mm.
ask to the people. It is not freedom for expression because I think was that better if we work, or I work, or I do everything. It's useful for others. Yes, you know
Yes,
that.
because
So
freedom of expression belongs to everyone. Is
yes, different or not? The real bigger and bigger as a job. So where
mm,
is the freedom of expression here? The real bigger or bigger for a job?
the real bigger or bigger.
For a job.
For example,
Uh-uh.
the freedom of expression.
Yes, where is the position? The right position, because we discuss about human right.
So I must choose one of two choice.
Like what? Explain, please. Yes,
Uh,
explain.
your question is I must choose one of two choice that you mentioned it like free like bigger is a job and the real bigger. So I
Yes,
must
yes. Maybe if you look this condition, because our discussion is talking about the freedom of expression, we know that expression, two person are same or different. Same, yes, same
okay.
bigger. But the difference is it is a real bigger and one is bigger for job.
Maybe bigger is
Yes. And then how can make differences? How do you can make it if they are real bigger?
what can make differences.
Yes. How do you can make differences? And
I
then
think
maybe like that. Okay, maybe Fiona look 2%, and then you can show it is not original bigger, ma'am. And then one, it is original bigger, ma'am, like that. Why you say like that? Yes, I know. He is very rich person. He has maybe he has three houses, okay, and then he has a new car, but it is bigger. And then and then the next person, you know that same, but 2% same, using scrolling, what is called scrolling clothes, okay. There are many scrolling here. Then some people every look is very poor hurt, then give them 2% some money. But when we give the money, it is was that not true way, not true or not a good way to make their life be better. Because here we just discuss about the freedom for expression. Nah, so difficult or not to make differences, and or what is the character that you have, then you can show it is real bigger, Mister. It is not real bigger. It is imitation bigger, like that.
It's like Indonesia's a bigger in I forgot a bigger
In
has
France, there is so many bigger in France.
the is 300 300 uh, million 300 million rupiah yes but this work is bigger but can have so many money.
Yeah. And then how can you make differences
I think
between
dif-
2%? Yes.
I think
And then,
difficult.
huh?
I
Yes,
think
difficult,
difficult
difficult.
for no. Oh, it is a real bigger. It is it is
Because
like
was that 2% have freedom? Yes or
yes
not? When
yeah
we just want, sorry, you are not real bigger, cannot. It is not human right. Okay.
yes yes
Okay. Yes or not? Although they are real bigger, although he is real bigger. So maybe okay. When you look bigger, so I think and I believe you never say that you are not bigger. Yes or
yeah
not?
never
Yes, never. But always give them. Yes. Oh, it's bigger, bigger, bigger. Yes, I give it bigger. I give it. So,
yes
so uh, it is. What's that? Back to our discussion by our title in this meeting, freedom for expression. Yes, sometimes it's very difficult. Like today, when we listen or hear or looking the news in Ukraine and then Russia, and then maybe all of the countries say that Russian was that destroy and then kill so many people like that, and then but Russians say there is no people, there is an army. Like that. How can it?
Oh, yes, I
Yes.
remember with your
So like what?